Hello everyone, my name is Deep and welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button so that you get notification every time I post a new video. And this video is gonna be good, man, and every video which is gonna come on this channel is gonna be very good, so you will get a ton of content over here. So do subscribe to this channel. So today we'll be discussing about how you can start affiliate marketing and how you can earn $100 a day. It is very simple, and even I'm gonna show you how will you scale up your $100 a day to $1,000 a day, and everything is possible. This is a real legit method, so take it seriously. Take out your notebooks and pens and do write it down whatever steps I tell in this video, so that you can open your mind and take action. And this is a serious method which I'm gonna show. It's not a get rich quick scheme, so do pay close attention. So let's get started. So first of all, we are coming here to a website. This is known as ClickBank. So ClickBank is a marketplace just like Amazon, where while Amazon sells physical products, ClickBank sells this digital products. So you find lot of digital products on ClickBank. So ClickBank provides you with the affiliate link of this product. So when you are signed up with ClickBank, then you will receive affiliate offers. You will get all the offers which are there in ClickBank's marketplace, and you can promote them. And if someone buys those offers from your link, affiliate link, then you get a commission. So once we click ClickBank marketplace, we come over here. If you don't have an account on ClickBank, then I suggest you to sign up for a new account on ClickBank. ClickBank easily gives approval to all the new new people who sign up, so it's very easy for you. So take action and do sign up. So here are the categories in which products are available in ClickBank. So you can choose any category: arts, entertainment, betting systems, cooking, e-business and e-marketing, and many of the categories are there. But we will be promoting product of for almost cooking category is very good. E-business and e-marketing makes most amount of money, and one of the most important category which makes a good amount of money is health and fitness. So these are the top 3 categories which you can utilize to make money online. And if you are interested in other categories, then I recommend you spirituality niche, because it also has great products which convert really well, and you can earn a great commission from those. So now let's go to e-business and e-marketing. So I'll be showing you a product in e-business and e-marketing. So here you can see that you can earn, see, this is the first product. With one sale you can earn up to $167. And here's the second product. With by clicking the promote button, you will get your affiliate link, and then you have to share that affiliate link to any of to everywhere, wherever you can, on your social media or anywhere, and you will earn a commission when you click this promote button and get your affiliate links out. And if someone buys from your affiliate link, you earn this amount of commission. This is $167, $477, and very good amount of money. So one of the problem with Amazon associates is that you earn a very little amount of money, but here you get almost 50% to 75% of commissions which you are of the products which you are promoting. So this is a great place from where you can begin and earn some good significant amount of money. And today I'm gonna show you how you can promote this, any of this product, whichever product you can choose any of the category. So here for example, this is a product, so where we can promote this product, and I will tell you about the traffic source which you will utilize to promote this product. So let's go here. Okay, so now I'll be telling you about the traffic source. So YouTube is a great traffic source. You have seen many people are making YouTube videos, and then in the description they are giving their courses and many other things which they are recommending over there. So that in the YouTube descriptions, many of the videos include products which are affiliate links to certain products, and if someone buys from those links, then the creator of the video receives a commission. So this is a serious method, okay? YouTube plus SEO, okay? So this is a great traffic source. Even I am using this traffic source for creating videos. So how you can create a video on YouTube? It is really simple. You just require a smartphone, okay? You just require a smartphone. I will be placing it as S, okay, and plus an internet, okay. Okay, so these are the two things which you will require: a smartphone and an internet connection. It's okay if you don't have a computer, you can totally work with your smartphone and internet connection. And what you have to do is just talk about a product or make a review about a product, whichever product is there over here. For example, here is one product. You can just talk about this product on the video, and you can just go and upload it over to YouTube. Now SEO, we will be talking about SEO, why SEO is important. For example, you are talking about this product. This is a super affiliate system. So the keywords which are related to super affiliate system, or we are, for example, affiliate marketing, okay. So the keywords which are related to this are affiliate marketing, okay. So this is the major keyword which is related to this product. So affiliate marketing, or we can say another is make money online course. So you just have to find out what category the product is. So this is a product, it is an educational product, we can say that. And if you don't have any idea about what the product is about, you can go on the affiliate page of the product and you will get idea about what the product is about. So for example, if we open the affiliate page of the product, then we will come to know about what the product is about. So for now, I am knowing that this product is about make money online. It teaches you how to start affiliate marketing, okay. So here we have opened its affiliate page, and you can see that this is a what can we say, that affiliate marketing product, and this product teaches you how to start affiliate business or affiliate marketing. So it is really simple to get to know about the product. So it is simple. You can check out products what can we say, that page, okay. You can check out the products affiliate page and get some information about the product, okay. Then you just have to talk about that product and upload a video on YouTube using these keywords in the title: affiliate marketing, make money online course, and then you are ready to the go. You just have to do this much. You have to make a YouTube channel, plus you are doing an SEO by placing this proper keywords in your video's title, and that's it. Then you just have to obtain your affiliate link by clicking this promote button, and you can provide that affiliate link in your YouTube description of the video, and that's it. That's the method. That's how it works. Most of the affiliate marketers do make great amount of money using this simple strategy, okay. Just they post links in their YouTube description. So how easy it is. So just you are doing YouTube video and posting links in your description, li, okay. You may understand. Then L means links. That's it. You are just posting a link in your YouTube video description. So that's how simple it is, and you can make great videos. It's okay if you don't know how to make a video. You will find it difficult in the starting, but one of the key to YouTube is that not everyone in the starting knows how to make videos, but day by day, eventually, when they keep on making videos, they learn eventually and start making good quality videos. So this will happen with you. It won't blow up for the first time. You won't be able to face the camera, but day by day, gradually, you will get comfortable with the camera and YouTube, and you will start making good quality videos, and you will start receiving a great amount of traffic. And then you can place your affiliate links in the YouTube description of whatever product you are promoting, and you can make a great commission from that. See, this is a serious method, and do take it seriously. You can even earn $1,000 a day with this method. This method is 100% working. Another traffic source which I'm gonna say is that when you have a new YouTube channel, it would be very difficult for you to get traffic to your channel. So I am telling you about Quora. Quora is a question and answer site. If you don't have an account here, then you can just sign up for a new account on Quora. So here people ask many questions. For example, if you have a channel related to digital marketing, then here's a question: is Google Digital Garage free? So you just have to press answer here and then answer this particular question, and in that answer you can provide a link towards your YouTube video or YouTube channel or whatever blog, website, whatever you have created to get traffic. That's what you require, and you can promote it, and you can promote your website over here, and this way you will receive traffic to your YouTube channel in the starting days. And after you get a good amount of traffic, day by day it will keep on increasing, your traffic will increase, and this method will pay you good amount of money, and you can definitely scale it up to $1,000 a day, which is 100% possible, and many entrepreneurs are making it. So this is something serious for someone who is serious about making money online and is not thinking that it may take some time. Whatever practically I am saying you, it will take almost 5 to 6 months for you to set up, but you can definitely make $1,000 a day with this method which I am telling you about, which is YouTube and plus SEO and affiliate marketing. So that's it. That's 100% possible. If you got value from this video, if you understood, then do press like button and do subscribe to this channel. And if you have any queries related to affiliate marketing, make money online, which videos I bring each and every single day, if you have any problem regarding that, then you can freely type it in the comment section. And so thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Moneymaker 001. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a good day.